There were plays at school.
Yeah.
Anything in particular, Glenn?
I played Dougal in The Magic Roundabout. I was covered in a brown blanket. It was not a successful impersonation of Dougal.
Were you one of those children who in the performance is kind of mouthing everybody else's lines and thinking, actually, I want to get in there and organise it? I mean, was that already there?
All I can say is I was very interested in the brown blanket. I was very interested in how that came about and how we did Dougal's Fringe. When I did my third job was a television film which I saw here, and when we were shooting it, I remember saying to Ken Westbury, the DP at that time, what are all these fancy little train lines that you have the camera on? And he'd say, well, that's the track. And what's this machine you have it on? That's the dolly. What do you mean dolly? Why is it called a dolly? I certainly wanted to sit on the camera and ride on the little railway track. No question about that.
And your dream came true.
My dream came true. So, well, then later on, they wouldn't quite let you. Oh, we need insurance for this, sir, and you need to be strapped in and that kind of thing.
And immediately offers came in, and you went to America, and there was a chance to do Dead Again and to play with sort of genres and styles. Did you have favourite periods in film already?
I liked thrillers very much. I liked the sort of golden period of Hollywood, all films like Lara with the Otto Preminger film, and all of that had an impact on being drawn to Dead Again.
So we're now getting to about 2008 and it's time to introduce a certain Swedish detective. I mean, how did you feel about the detective to start with?
He doesn't have Columbo's Mac, etc. He doesn't have a series of things that that particularly characterise him, except one might say misery. And in the first film of the new series, which is called An Event in Autumn, even I put the script down at the end of that one and went, bloody hell, wow, that's a tough time he has in that film, but it's, on the way it becomes very, very illuminating, and he says, it's quite touching in that film, he says, well, I think I'm basically quite a cheerful person, and I think he thinks he is.